Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through adding solution to your iRobot Roomba 505. This will work for any of the 500 series Roomba devices if you're looking to add cleaning solution. If you're interested in the 505, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, on the vacuum itself, we can open this up. There's no solution spot here, and we can remove the dirty and clean water tanks, and there's no area to add cleaning solution. So you are able to mix it into the clean water tank, and Roomba has a couple options for you. I should say iRobot has a couple options that you can use. First up, it's their StayClean mopping concentrate for Roomba combo robots. So with your clean water tank empty, you will add 2 capfuls of that concentrate and then fill it up to the max line. Be careful not to overfill that so you don't dilute the concentrate where it's not supposed to be. But anyways, that's your first option. Use Roomba's StayClean mopping concentrate, add 2 capfuls, then fill up your clean water tank. They also have another option for you. Option 2 is using iRobot's BravaJet fresh liquid floor cleaner. So BravaJet fresh liquid floor cleaner, you can use that as well too. That's going to be 400 milliliters of that cleaning solution, and then fill the tank the rest of the way up with clean water. Again, being careful not to overfill your clean water tank. So you have 2 different solution options to use with this, or just use water. Keep in mind, do not add water and vinegar. That can void your warranty and corrode the internals of the vacuum in the station. So just water, or use one of 2 iRobot's approved cleaning solutions.